This is a CountryBoyModz production.
What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Today, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be repainting these tire letters. I'm done with it. They won't even come off from the stuff I use. I try to use SOS pads, some of everything. My cousin told me to put gasoline on it, but for the front of it. But I'm gonna paint over with some black paint. Just call it a day. So I'm about to do that now, and we're gonna see how this turn out. That's it. I still got the Rust-Oleum paint, so we're gonna see how this turn out, y'all. Let's see it. And there you have it. White letters gone. Rust-Oleum high performance paint. Rust-Oleum. You can see it. And let that dry. Finish cleaning this off. See it.
This is a CountryBoyModz production.